Most AI music doesn't make money, not because it's bad, but because it's the wrong type. A lot of people create music thinking, if it sounds good, it'll sell, but that's not how this works. You're not creating music for yourself, you're creating music for use cases. The music that sells is background music for videos, podcast intros, ambient, focus music type beats. Why? Because these solve a problem. Creators need this content. What doesn't sell? Random songs with no purpose, overly complex tracks, music with no audience. If there's no clear use, there's no buyer. Instead of asking, what do I want to make? Ask, what do people need? For example, a YouTuber needs background music, a podcaster needs an intro, a business needs clean audio. That's your market. Different platforms serve different needs. Right finger BeatStars equals beats and amp. Licensing right finger YouTube equals background loops and amp. Traffic matching the right content to the right platform is key. If you want more ideas on what actually sells, check the guide in the description.